The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE is a masterclass in SUV design that offers a variety of powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid, turbocharged V8 and 4-cylinder engines. With a base model rated at 255 horsepower and an AMG 63S variant rated at 603 horsepower, the GLE caters to different drivers. The GLE 450e plug-in hybrid model achieves 59 miles of electric range and a fuel efficiency of 28 miles per gallon in hybrid mode. It also comes with DC fast charging capability. Inside, the GLE's cabin is designed for comfort and luxury with high-quality materials, optional heated seats, ventilation and massage functions. The spacious interior and high seating position offer excellent visibility, while the Burmester audio system delivers an immersive audio experience. The responsive, full-color touchscreen and touchpad controls make the driving experience even more enjoyable. With ample storage compartments spread throughout the cabin and the ability to tow up to 7,700 pounds, the GLE is a versatile choice for a variety of adventures. With its combination of features and efficiency, the GLE offers strong added value in today's SUV market.